Hello everyone and welcome to the lesson. We are going to answer the last question that was tested in August 2022, meetings, compliance and administration. Question 5A reads, discuss 3 legally permitted uses of the share premium on issued shares, 3 marks. Legally permitted uses of share premium. Legally permitted uses of share premium on issued shares include: number 1, writing off capital losses. The second use is issuing bonus shares. And lastly, paying up unissued shares. Those are 3 uses of share premium on issued shares. 3 uses. Uses of share premium. Number 1, I've said writing off capital losses. Paying up unissued shares. Writing off capital losses is the first use of the share premium. And candidates companies can use the share premium to write off any accumulated capital losses. And that helps in reducing the company's accumulated losses and improves its financial position. The second use is issuing bonus shares. Share premium can be utilized to issue bonus shares to existing shareholders. And candidates' bonus shares, we all know, are additional shares given to shareholders without requiring them to make additional payments. And the share premium can be used to fund the issuance of bonus shares, rewarding existing shareholders and increasing the company's share capital. The third use is paying up unissued shares. If a company has unissued shares, the share premium can be used to pay up the value of these shares. And that will help in increasing the company's share capital without requiring additional funds from the shareholders. So these are 3 uses of the share premium. Number 1, writing off capital losses. Number 2, issuing bonus shares. Number 3, paying up unissued shares. 3 marks.